Welcome to Lucy Muse YouTube News, and this time it's on the job. I wanted to share a bit of what I actually get up to other than sort of modelling and getting out and filming. It's this. Sometimes it's a bit of a balance trying to fit everything in when you spend the whole day up a scaffold. I've been getting a bit filthy, covered in insulation, dust, climbing up and down this thing, but it's been a really fun day and I'm glad because it's a free gym. So today I managed to get all the rest of the insulation up, all these bits of batten on the wall are holding it in place, and I've got some plasterboard, loads of it. It's massive, really tall and heavy, come in, and soon that means that that's going to be on the walls. I'm going to have actual walls that can be plastered, and this place is going to start to look like one big massive room instead of a space with lots of wood on the walls. So I've been spending a lot of time foaming with this no-nonsense, not if I'm using it. What happens is if you don't clean it, it sprays foam back at you and not in the nooks and crannies where it's supposed to be. You really need to keep it clean. So here's a helpful DIY tip. Look after your guns, and I don't mean these, I mean this. If you don't, you're going to be foaming all wrong. I feel I better maybe end things on that note. So have a lovely day and see you soon. Bye. I know that I've just given some tips about cleaning your gun, having realised that my gun is absolutely filthy. There's no excuse.